thought I would do an unboxing video. This is from DJI. It's the new DJI. It's the new Neo. So this is their newest, latest and greatest. This is actually the combo bundle that they make. So we're gonna this is a green tab, and this just pulls apart this way. You have it up like this, and then I'm just gonna pull it. Here it goes. Okay, here we go. All right, I heard a little, so I guess they vacuum packed this. All right, so now the seal is broken, as you can see, and I'm going to unbox it. Okay, here it is. So first thing we do, this would be, and they also, by the way, they do sell this by itself, just this part of it, just the drone itself. And I think it retails, it's very inexpensive for what it is. It's like $200. I mean, it's really not bad as of this video. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna take it out of the bag, because what the heck? It's an unboxing video, unbagging video, all that kind of good stuff. So, okay. So put the bag aside, and here's the drone. Okay. So as you can see, I mean, it's, you know, my hand, you know, that's the whole thing. And the cool thing about these, it's an AI drone, so when it knows there's sensors underneath, and when you hold your hand out to fly it, it takes off automatically and lands. You can find all this stuff online from other videos, but it's just really a neat, just a neat design. A little sticker here, just tells you have to charge the batteries before you, so we'll remove that. A little yellow tab here. And this is, and there's a USB port here, and I'm sure there's cables in the box. When you buy, if you buy this drone, I'm gonna peel this right now, so you can see. I'm gonna peel it down. See? Okay, that's off of there. So that's the warning to charge the battery. But if you buy this drone and you don't buy the bundle, you basically get the drone, probably a cable, and one battery. Okay, which is down here. The battery's here, and that's where it would. I don't know. I haven't done this. But you push here, and then this will probably, yeah, it just pops down. And so this is the actual battery, if you can see this. Okay, with this kit, you get the bundle, the combo bundle. It comes with, I believe, 2 more of these, so you get 3 of these and a charger, so you can charge 3 batteries, and it's a quick charger. And I believe the flight time, if I'm not mistaken, again, I just opened this, I haven't even flown it yet. I think it's at least 15 minutes. It might be 20. I'm not sure. I think again, it depends on wind, like every drone. And how high you're going and stuff like that, but mostly the wind. We'll put this aside for now. So this is the drone, though. This is without the battery. I'll put the battery back in. Anyway, so that's the top section here. So when you buy the drone, if you buy just the drone by itself that we showed, you're getting, the box will be about this big. It's just this inner part here. Okay, so it'll be thinner. It's just going to fit the drone, and maybe a little bit thicker than that. But I'm going to slide this out now. This is the second unboxing, I guess you could say, of this kit. So now it's empty. See, the box is empty. And this is the, I guess, the batteries and the charger, the combo part. Open it here. And what do we have? We have the charger, okay, and the batteries are in the charger. So there, as I said, this comes in the same kind of bag. I'm gonna open the bag so you can see. But inside the bag, oops, a little thing there. Inside the bag is the actual charger, as you can see. So there's 3 places here. The one that's in the drone would go here, and then they give you 2 additional batteries, which is pretty cool. So that's nice. And as I say, it's not, the fit and finish is great. Your power button's on this side, and you got your connection here to your USB port or whatever you use to charge it on, your computer, USB power plug, all that good stuff. So that's that. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without all these different accessories, which I'll show you. So you get a screwdriver, and here's a spare propeller. So they do give you some spares. I'll go back to that in a second. Yeah, so they're going to be different. I guess they give you 2 spare propellers. This is A and B together. Okay, that's something that maybe some unboxing videos won't show you. But so you got your B. So these are replacing if you have the drone facing up, or forward, or so you see DJI. The B is top left and bottom right, and A is bottom left and top right. So these are the ones specifically to replace those specific propellers. So that's handy, because just if you have to replace it for any reason, is you have a single one, and it looks like there's some, yeah, I see screws in here, so that's what this is for. So the screwdriver is coming to use to secure these, and so we'll put those aside. And here's a cute little thing here. I'll unbox this too. We're doing a full unboxing, so we'll put this aside. Before we get to this, I'll just show the cable here. This is the cable, the USB cable, which has a little QR code. Probably how if you never used a USB charging cable before. But it looks like same ends, so I don't know if this is a lightning connection or looks like it might be a lightning. But so that allows you, it could be USB-C, not sure. But anyway, these are, it looks like lightning, but this also comes, of course, to charge this up. And it also allows you to charge the battery right on the drone. So this just plugs right in, probably, yeah. And so now you're plugged in. So if you want to charge the battery on the drone, and it also probably does firmware updates maybe and things like that, allows you to do that. I'm guessing knowing DJI, they usually do that. This is here, this fits here as well. This allows you, like I said, they don't give you a plug, they only give you the cable, but you have to come up with your own power supply to plug this into. So, but this allows you to charge, and I believe it charges all 3 batteries at the same time, which is really cool. Or at least, let's say you're flying and you have these 2 charging, and you potentially have perpetual power, I think is the idea with this, so that you can, land, switch out a battery, have that one, then put that one in to charge, and then the one that's almost charged can be the next one, and so on and so forth. So that's what this is. So anyway, we'll put that aside, and we'll open this up, and this should have the goodies from DJI. It's going to have another bag. It's going to have your DJI store with a QR code, and that probably helps with it probably downloads the app, and it's kind of like a where to start and all this stuff, and they have a forum, and they have all these QR codes for different things. One is probably to register it and things like that, which actually this drone doesn't have to be registered. It's under half a pound, half a pound. So it doesn't have to be, I forget what the limit is exactly right off the top of my head, but it's pretty light, so you don't have to actually register it with the with the FAA or anything. So you can fly it. If you fly under trust, you don't even need a 107. You can just fly it under trust and recreational use. It's fine. You can take it right out of the box and start flying and have no problems. So anyway, this is just the quick start guide, they call this, that comes in here. Okay, that's a quick start guide. So anyway, that's that. And we have little DJI. There's another packet to open. Safety guidelines, accessory user guide. So this explains the charger and the batteries and all that good stuff. So that's there. This is another pouch to open, or another little packet to open. I believe all it's in here. These are stickers, I believe. Yeah, looks like all the same thing. So this is probably a sticker. That's it's when I won't open this right now, but it's a little. Well, I can do it. And it's probably just stickers. And I don't know why they seal this whole thing. They should just put the stickers in with paper, but they probably want to make sure that you you have your stickers. I'll just show these. Okay, good. So you got mission sticker, DJI, and this is this is cute. It's like a little fly of the future. It's got different things. So I'm glad I did open this to show you what's here. And then this one is some other things here, the little DJI things, all that kind of good stuff. So different things. And then this is yet another one, like this DJI. That's pretty. Actually, I like that one. It's pretty cool. DJI. It's got different, drones and things on here, different things. So it's that's the full kit. That's everything. So now the other thing with this is, I know this is beyond an unboxing video, but there are these guards on here, which are useful for indoor, or if you're flying around a lot of objects or whatever. And these can come off. I can see how these would come off, but they can come off, and so they're just 2. They're 1 unit on each side, and they can pop off the guards themselves. I don't see a reason to take them off. I mean, it's good to kind of protect the propellers. I mean, if it doesn't hinder the flight performance, I don't see, there's, to me, not really a reason, unless there's something that keeps it from it. It does make it maybe a little bit lighter. I mean, not by much. This is just plastic. It's a good quality plastic, though. Like I say, it's just it's DJI, so they always use good stuff. But it's a cute little drone, and I can't wait to fly it. Anyway, I hope this video has been useful. As I say, this is a great drone for beginners. I bought it, as a, sort of, not really a novelty, I guess a novelty, maybe for indoor. I'm kind of excited to see how this does with a well-lit indoor situation. I only have a couple drones that I would fly indoors, so this would be kind of a neat addition to my arsenal. And for you, it might be your first drone. So This is the gimbal cover too. I wanted to show that just because since you're on here. This cover comes off, as you can see, it's in my hand here. And now you have the gimbal exposed. It's kind of just a 2-axis gimbal. It's not a 3-axis. You know, it is a 4K camera, which is cool. But this is a cool, I actually like this cover. It's very easy. Unlike I have an Autel drone, and the drone, or the gimbal cover is like, it's like a puzzle to get that thing on and off. It's like 3 different things you got to worry about, and then it's just a pain. But this is very simple. I mean, it just pops right on here. You can't beat that. It really is a neat drone, and as I say, good luck, and hope this video has been useful, and I can't wait to fly it. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.